Lawmakers will push for the passage of the death penalty bill and lowering the age of criminal responsibility before Congress ends its regular session this year. Nel Maribojoc will tell us why.
The lower house has now resumed its session. These coming days, lawmakers will continue to tackle the priority bills of the Duterte administration. These include the proposal to revise the 1987 Constitution, emergency powers, reimposition of death penalty, and lowering the age of criminal liability. According to the chairman of House Committee on Justice, Congressman Reynaldo Umali, they have already submitted to the Rules Committee their committee report on death penalty bill in order for it to be taken up in the plenary soon. It is expected that the bill will be passed in the third and final reading before the regular session ends this year.
This is on top of our priority because of the priority given by no less than the President on the matter.
According to Senate President Aquilino Pimentel III, the target for the passage of the controversial bill is achievable.
The House target of June is realistic. That should be sufficient time for the Senate to also have its own recommendation whether to approve or not to approve.
Simultaneously, the House Justice Committee chairman says they will also push for the legislation seeking the lowering of the age of criminal liability from 15 to 9 years old. Congressman Umali also says once the bill is passed, it does not necessarily mean that juvenile age will be included in the death penalty.
Yung sa mga juvenile age or lower than juvenile age, merong proseso yun of reforming them, not necessarily death penalty.
He adds that the provisions of the death penalty bill will undergo thorough study and possibly amendments before being enacted into law. Nel Maribojoc, UNTV News and Rescue, House of Representatives.